this is a tutorial on how to get started with Notion for beginners who simply want a place to store their notes. I'm only going to cover key concepts on how and where to put your notes in Notion. When you get started with Notion, you'll be presented with two options, at the time of the recording at least, to choose either start with or without templates. We're going to take a look at Notion with templates and without templates. With templates, you see different ways to use Notion, such as using it as a to-do list, a database, or a folder to keep your notes. This Docs template is my recommended method to keep our notes. We'll come back to this at the end. Now, let's take a look at Notion without templates. Even without templates, you still get this Get Started page that shows you some of the basic things that Notion can do. We're going to ignore this page for now. But before we do that, look at this! You can embed videos! How awesome is that? Anyway, before we can start organizing our notes, we need to learn to create a note. Click on Add a Page on the left side. Let's title it Note 1. Voila! You have created your first Notion note. Type Notes here. Let's create another one and title it Note 2. Note 2. This is one way to create notes in Notion, but this side menu, it's going to get really long really fast. Let's look at one of the magical things that Notion can do. This time, I want you to create a note, but we're going to title it Folder 1. Add a page, title it Folder 1, and then click on the empty space here. On this page, we are going to type slash, and then click on Page from the menu that pops up. Ta-da! It opens up a blank page. Let's title this Page 1. This time, if we look at the left side, we don't see it. Where is it? If you click on the toggle key, then you see it. Page 1 is nested inside Folder 1. I can create multiple pages and put them in Folder 1. And I can even create subpages inside my page like so. We are on page 1 / page sub page 1. Again, we don't see it here until we click on the toggle key. Voila! Now I see my subpage. Nesting or putting one page inside another page, it's one of the awesome features that Notion has. It allows you to easily categorize your pages. And if you're like me, you can create a page called Unsorted. And then dump all your notes in there. Then click on this toggle key to hide them. Out of sight, out of mind. Okay, I'm half kidding. Now we have completed our warm-up. Here's the method that I recommend to store your notes if you want to store a lot of notes. Or if you just get really messy really fast like me. We're going to create a folder that is going to keep all our notes, but they are not going to show up on the left side. Here's how we're going to do it. First, click on Add Page, title it Temporary. Then press Enter or click on the blank space to start typing. In the white canvas, we're going to type /list. Scroll down and select List Database, full page. And that will create the list that is not titled. We're going to title it Notes. This is a database list. You can think of it as a folder that can keep all your notes in there, but it's not going to take up any of the space on the left side. To add a note to this database, simply click on New and start typing your notes. Page 4. Hello. We're going to reposition this notes list. Click on Temporary. and then hover over to Notes. When you see the six dots right here, left click and hold to drag and drop it. We're going to drag it out of this temporary page and put it on top of our menu on the left side, right here. Whenever you want to add a page, you can go to the Notes page by clicking on it and then click New right here, page 5, or hover over Notes and then click on the plus sign right here, page 6. And again, even if we toggle this page, we are not going to see anything except list view. All the subpages that we have created, they are in this database, and it's not going to take up any of the space on the left side. This is the method that I recommend to store all your notes. I hope this tutorial helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye!